Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Zotero for referencing. Zotero is a free, open-source reference management tool used to collect, organize, and cite research sources. With Zotero, you can easily save bibliographic information for books, articles, websites, and other types of sources. This makes it easier to cite sources correctly and avoid plagiarism in your writing. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to download and install Zotero on your computer. Go to www.zotero.org and click on the download button. Once installed, open Zotero and you'll see a simple interface with three main components: a collection pane on the left where you can organize your sources, a list of saved sources in the middle, and a preview pane on the right. To add a source, go to the top toolbar and click on the Add Item button. This will open up a menu where you can select the type of source you want to add, such as a book, journal article, or website. Once you've selected the type of source, enter the bibliographic information such as the author, title, publisher, and publication date. You can also add notes and tags to help organize your sources. One of the most useful features of Zotero is the ability to create a bibliography or reference list. To do this, you need to create a citation style for your document. Zotero comes with many pre-installed citation styles, but you can also download and install additional styles from the Zotero style repository. Once you've selected a citation style, you can drag and drop sources from your collection into your document, and Zotero will automatically format the citation and bibliography according to your chosen citation style. Zotero also has a feature called Group Libraries that allows you to collaborate with others on a project. You can create a group library, add members, and share sources with each other. This is useful for group projects, where multiple people are researching and writing on the same topic. Another feature of Zotero is the ability to create annotations or notes for each source. This is useful for keeping track of your own thoughts and ideas about a source, and also for sharing your thoughts with others in a group project. Finally, Zotero also has a plugin for web browsers, which allows you to save sources directly from websites with just one click. When you're browsing a website with a source you want to save, click on the Zotero icon in your browser, and Zotero will automatically save the bibliographic information for that source. The Zotero plugin for web browsers is a very useful tool for researchers and students. It allows you to quickly and easily save sources as you come across them while browsing the internet. This can save a lot of time and effort compared to manually entering bibliographic information for each source. The Zotero plugin is available for popular web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. In conclusion, Zotero is a powerful tool for managing your research sources and creating accurate bibliographies and reference lists. With Zotero, you can easily save and organize your sources, create citations and bibliographies, collaborate with others, and keep track of your own thoughts and ideas. So, if you're a student, researcher, or writer, I highly recommend giving Zotero a try. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.